Hello again, everybody. I want to do a quick video about installing a little grommet for extra power in my trailer. The trailer didn't come with one and I wanted to add one. Three-inch hole for a remote power adapter with USB to go here and into there. So there's the finished installation here. Two 120s, two USB-Cs at 40 watts, and two regular USBs for charging and other appliances. I'll tap into the outlet that's underneath here that's set up for the refrigerator freezer, and that'll give us an outlet up here for coffee maker and things like that. So why did I pick this particular power grommet? This one here was very shallow. It didn't take up a lot of space. I'm putting in a refrigerator, and I didn't want something that popped up and down because I saw so many people had issues with the ones that you could push down and they popped up and it would end up breaking within a few months. This one's permanent, never went up and down, and provided additional outlets. Yes, it was more expensive than the other ones were, but it has worked out very nice, and I think it was well worth the cost that was put out for the grommet itself. I highly recommend this particular one. Thanks again for watching.